everyone. We are here on our second episode regarding our topic, the Cyberspace Guide. And we are here with our two experts that will help us identify the risks and the mitigations and solutions about artificial intelligence and machine learning.
So good day everyone. So I am Arjun Ureza again from the UST. So now I will going to tackle or discuss about social risk. So social risk is EI include privacy concerns, discrimination, social isolation, job displacement, manipulation, loss of autonomy, and cultural disruption.
So, Mr. Gabriza, may we know about the different solutions and mitigations regarding the effects or risk of social risk and artificial intelligence?
So we have different strategies. So we have the data protection, bias audits, human-centric AI, media literacy, ethical oversight, cultural sensitivity, equal access. So by addressing this risk, AI can be used responsibly to foster societal well-being and reduce harm.
Thank you so much, Mr. Aljun Gabrisa. And we have our next speaker. We have Mr. John Paul Albert Factura from Department of Environment and Natural Resources.
Once again, good morning everyone. My name is John Paul Albert C. Factora, representative from the farmers from staff of DNR. We are talking about the economic risk and intellectual property thief and AI and unauthorized model usage. There are 7 type of AI na unauthorized. One is a model encryption, determining models and outputs, licensing agreements and usage policy, access control and authentication, AI governance and regulation, defensive model deployment, and the last is regular monitoring and response plan. That is the 7 type of uncontrolling AI. So use advantage encryption technique to secure model weights and architecture. Another one is embed invisible watermarks in AI generate outputs, text, image, or video, and etc.
Thank you so much, Mr. John Paul Albert Factura from DANR. So, in summary, comprehensive strategies for mitigating risk and ensuring ethical internet practices and AIs, or artificial intelligence and machine learnings, are essential to maximize AI's benefits while minimizing potential harm, building trust, and fostering response innovation. So that would be all for our podcast about the cyberspace guide, together with their mitigating risks and solutions. And I hope you learn more from our different speakers who are experts, and I hope you gather more knowledge about our podcast today. Thank you so much, guys.